everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be opening up my February Boxycharm. I love getting Boxycharm. It's probably my favorite subscription that I have, and I'm typically very impressed with the products that come in those boxes. If you are new here to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. My name is Ashley and I typically do mostly beauty videos. I'm doing a year-long project pan. I do unboxings like this one. I've started a declutter series and a shop my stash. I like to show you basically what I'm doing and what I'm wearing. So if that's something that you're interested in, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's open this bad boy up, shall we? So I did flip-flop a lot on this box in particular. I have wanted to kind of move more into a try-on style unboxing. And ultimately, I decided not to do that with this particular box. Now, what I will say is that most people will love this box. It is a really good box. For me, however, it's not my favorite, and I want to be able to show you why. So let's go ahead and open her up. First thing that we have is the card that tells us everything that comes in here. Today, or this month's theme is Afterglow, which tells me there will be a lot of glowy products in here, I guess. So this is, if you are unfamiliar, a monthly subscription that is $21 a month and typically comes with between 4 and 5 full-sized products. Generally, the retail value of everything in the box is well over the $21 price point, and a lot of the things that I have in my collection that I've really enjoyed being exposed to have come from Boxycharm. So I do really love this service. So what comes in this month's box is all right here, and so there are some things in here that I want to start with. So this is a foundation from Touch in Sol. This is the No Problems primer. This is a really, really good primer. It typically retails, I think, for $19. No, I'm sorry, $18. This is a primer that I already own, which is why I wasn't super excited about receiving it. And I'm not going to open this one, but I do really, really enjoy this primer. It is a pore filling primer, but it's not heavy and sticky like some other ones can be. So if you're thinking of something like the Professional, for instance, it's not like that. This is actually a very gel-like consistency. I've never had any problem with makeup sitting funny over it. It's never pilled up on me. It's one that I definitely recommend, and it makes my foundation look really, really nice. So while this isn't a product that I am super excited to have received in the box because I already own it, if you have been interested in it, I highly recommend it. It is really good. The next thing in this box that I am kind of on the fence about is by Sol de Janeiro. This is the Coco Cabana cream. And the reason I'm on the fence about this is because I haven't seen any really good reviews on this. So I'm interested to try it out, to be honest with you. I'm really glad because this is a pricey product. The regular Bum Bum cream in this size is $20, and I would expect this, this to be the same. So this is a product that does retail for $20, and it's not something that I would have purchased myself, especially not having seen the best reviews. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what it looks like and smells like and all of that good stuff. All right, now that we have all the plastic off, I do love this color. I mean, obviously it's a color that I like. So let's see what we smell like, because I think the smell is supposed to be different than the original, which I do very much like. Ooh, it's sticky. It does smell different. It doesn't smell bad, but it does smell different. I don't know, it's like caramel corn maybe, but not, I don't know, it's like it's some sort of dessert. So let's take just a little bit off the top here. This is what it looks like. A little bit goes a long way. I probably have a little bit too much for the back of my hand here. All right, let's just go ahead and rub it all the way in because that was Probably not the best visual anyway. I don't know what it smells like. Oh, you know what it smells like? This is gonna sound so weird. Have you ever made Rice Krispie treats? I mean, obviously most people have made Rice Krispie treats, but you know that first step where you're melting down the marshmallows and the butter in the pan? That's what it smells like. So a lot of the reviews that I've read have said that it leaves your skin feeling tacky. And it does a little bit, but it's not awful by any means. But I do feel like it's one that you really do have to work in. It doesn't just immediately sink into your skin. And it does kind of pill up just a little bit. I don't know. So I'm trying not to let some of the less than stellar opinions that I've read influence my feeling here. I do agree that it does leave your skin a little bit sticky, not overwhelmingly so, but it doesn't sink in well either like you'd expect. So I am going to use this probably at night because yeah, I don't want to use this at work, especially the way that it does leave things a little bit tacky, which honestly, if I had to choose, I'd prefer this over feeling greasy. But the scent is definitely quite strong, so I don't necessarily know that I want to use it in a work environment, but I am interested to try it out on my body and see how it feels and then report that back to you. All right, so the next thing in this box is more makeup. So this is a full size of Too Faced Better Than Sex. This is a cult classic. This is a mascara that tons and tons of people absolutely love. I just don't happen to be one of them. So hear me out. It is a beautiful mascara. It looks fantastic on my eyelashes. And if that were the end of the story, I would love this mascara as well. The problem that I have with it is that on me, it transfers. It transfers every single time within a matter of hours. I just have heavy, dark raccoon eyes, which is really, really unfortunate because like I said, it looks really nice on my lashes, but because it doesn't stay on my lashes, this is not a mascara that I will keep. To be honest with you, I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to show it to you because I'm going to pass it on to somebody who does like it and that it does work for them. So again, this is something that a lot of people, when they open this box, they're going to be really super excited for. Just for me personally, it's not something that I'm thrilled about, I guess is the way to say it. So this Better Than Sex mascara does retail for $24. So again, if this is your holy grail mascara, if it's something that you really love, then it pays for the box right there. So that is something that is in there. We have two more products. The next thing is an eyeshadow stick from Nude Sticks. Again, this is, for many people, a really great product. It's in the shade Copper Foil. There is a part of me that really wants to open this up and swatch it because I know it's going to be so pretty. The problem is I don't use stick eyeshadows. I just don't. I'm not very good with cream products. If I am going to use a cream product, it's going to be something in a twist up format like the Caviar sticks. But this is a pencil and I know that I'm not going to use it. I may open it once, try to use it, and then it will never get used again. So I'll be honest with you, I'm not going to open this up. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to just go ahead and straight donate this to somebody that will actually get good use out of it rather than just letting it die in my collection. So that's again why I'm not doing a try on style video this month, is because I don't want to waste product. That just seems wasteful. So this Nude Sticks, this is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. Again, if I forgot to mention, it is in the shade Copper Foil, and this does retail for $24. So again, excellent value for the box. If this is something that you would use, then it more than pays for the box right there. But for me, it's just not something that I will use. Now the last thing in the box is this highlighter by Pretty Vulgar. This I might get some use out of. It looks kind of dark in the pan, but again, what really back and forth on this. I was afraid that it was going to be too dark, and so I didn't want to swatch it and then not be able to donate it. But the more I look at it, the more I'm thinking that it may just be dark in the pan. So I am going to go ahead and try this out. I think I might actually go ahead and try it on. I do have a little bit of highlighter on already, but you know what? More is more, right? So let's go ahead and pop some of this on my cheeks and see what this looks like. Let's get a mirror. So that is actually very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm glad. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Look at that shine, baby. All right, so this I will be holding on to because it is something that I can use and that I would use. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so this, I have something in the box that I'm actually happy with. Oh, that sounds so terrible. I don't mean it that way. But this is the highlighter from Pretty Vulgar. I don't think I mentioned before. This is in, well, that's weird. It says Shimmering Swan, but then it says 127 Sparkling Sass. So I'm not sure what color it is, which of those two are colors. But this is something that I'm actually pretty happy with. And the retail value for that is $32. So that right there, my box is paid for. So overall, I do, like I said at the beginning, I think this is actually a really, really good box. And for most people out there, they're going to be super excited to have gotten this. Just for me, for personal preferences and personal reasons, or for products that I just already own, it wasn't as awesome as some of the other boxes that I have gotten in the past. But let's go ahead and add this up real quick and let's see what the overall value of this is. All right, so the overall value of this box, if you can see that, you probably can't, is $118. So if you did like everything that was in this box, then this was a huge win for most people's collections. I will say I don't feel sticky anymore, so it does feel like, even though it had some initial stickiness, that it did wear off pretty quickly. I will say though that the scent still is lingering, so if you enjoy the scent, then that's a great thing. If it's something that maybe you don't love the scent as much, then maybe not. But overall, I do really like this box. I just wish that I didn't already own some of these products or have strong opinions on these products, but I'm glad that I was able to share them with you. Let me know if you have gotten this Boxycharm box or if you got one of the other variations. I'm honestly not sure. Oh, I finally see it. I got variation number 2. So if you got a different variation, I would love to know what you got in your box. And did you enjoy this month or was it a wash for you? I hope that you're having a really great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.